I want to bring up the survival body. Every husband body. Every doctor body. You see right now, this is the most important part of the show. Can I see every light on the body? Can I see every touch in the body? Every light handle, every touch. It's the president outside. It's been 7 years since I was last in Friday. What I'm here tonight is not to be bad. I want to go to God for everybody. Look at the light on fire. Look at the light on that's open. Let the hand go. Some 7 years ago. Yeah, it's good to be back again. Everybody, this is my first show for 2020 strike. Yes, how many years, buddy? So you deserve a special present. Can I give you something brand new here, everybody? Keep fighting. Take your side.